side is great. This side is boring. Click thumbs up if sometimes you have trouble decorating. I could put a fish plaque above my bed. Hashtag no. First up on, wait for it, Twitter. Chloe got Jake Ward Kier to subscribe to my channel and now he loves my videos. You love me now, but you didn't before? Well, I do grow on people. Like a fungus. Instagram. T. Morin said, you look so familiar. Didn't we take class together? I could have sworn we had chemistry. Oh, my shirts. You're like so cute.
Oh, sure.
On Facebook, on my fan page, Sarah posted a picture and it says, every time you feel yourself being pulled into other people's drama, repeat these words. Not my circus, not my monkeys. I cannot believe he stole your banana. That's just wrong. Last week on YouTube, I asked you guys to complete the sentence. Welcome to the land of blank. This is my new dance move. It's called awkward. Welcome to the land of sexy potatoes. I'm gonna have to kill this sexy potatoes later because I'm hungry. Welcome to the land where most YouTube comments are unnecessary. Shut your face right now. Welcome to the land of house hunting. And the winner of the speaker is... Welcome to the land of Jason Derulo, where the only thing that people say is... Talk dirty to me. Once upon a time, there was a question and a contest, and they were like, and 9 months later, they had a prize. This week, I'm giving away another GoPro Hero 3, and it is the wide edition, and it is 1080p, 35MP, Wi-Fi built-in, Wi-Fi remote, Wi-Fi built-in, see details, point burst, photo, Wi-Fi built-in, Wi-Fi incorporate. I'm just reading here, video professional. Favorite if you want to win, and leave me a comment completing the following sentence that I'm gonna say out of my mouth. Let's be blank. Let's be doctors, or lawyers, or scissors. Look at me, I'm so sharp.